Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. So I came here to the park and I wanted to check it out, and it says that there is a fee of $5. Now I was a little confused because when I come here, the window over here is closed and the door is closed and nobody's here. And then there's a sign and it says pay here with a station, where apparently this works on the honor system. Wait, how does this even, did it actually fit? Okay, it doesn't seem to want to take my money. Yeah? There we go. Hey, it's $5 for one.
No, that's all we're paying. That's all they get.
Listen, we don't have this shit here.
That's all they get.
Oh, come on. Yeah, I could give them some maybe.
I only have a 20. They're not getting any more money from me.
I'll count you as a child then. Okay.
Whatever. All it is you put something in the box, all that matters.
I put more in the box than 90% of what any New Yorker would put in the box there. That's it for today. That is always. I hope you learned something.